Guys, hello ka-uro-urig. I am making saan natawag ka doon? Basta gapito kung bali. Basta mo na siya. Wait for a little bit and then we'll come back. For the meantime, let's look at the kids. And let's look at R. R, say hi to my YouTube friends.
Hi.
What are you doing, R?
Fighting someone.
Someone where?
I'm punching him.
What game is that?
It's beating up people.
No, like what game? What's the name of the game?
Beating up people.
Why would you do that?
That's the game. It's a game.
Are you winning?
Mm.
Or are you being beaten up?
That's my enemy, and I'm this one. Oh, and I got my and then they got my team. Oh my gosh, help me.
Ano siya si R.
Okay,
He's
I'm gonna
5 years
reset.
old. Yeah, he's a boy. And that's my Rimar Isidore. Nak, say hi to my friends.
Hello, I am Rimar Isidore Escarado.
Yeah, he's watching his YouTube. Yeah, this is what we do. Just doing stuff. Napagod na rin ako. Manik. So we're back here. So it's 8:44 on a Friday today. I think this is almost cooked. I think luto na niya siya. Ito naman siguro ngayon na. Napagod na nagyaw yan. Ito yung papa. Ito naman siguro ngayon. Kaya ito pagtilawan ako. Di mainit pa kaayo. Pare. Yeah. Ito na. I'm gonna leave it there for a little bit. Like maybe a minute. And then take it out. So, anang i-transfer ang atong mahiwagang mani. Excuse me lang ga. Excuse me. Kung kuya mo eh. Garlic. So, kanina lang atong ibutang. Garlic powder. Hopefully.
Now you just need to mix it.
Yep. Yeah. Kasi packet na sana ako. Kaso nakita, naalala ko na gusto mo palang. Gusto mo pala itong Manila ko. Hi, cool. Mama making mani, cool. Ito, itong sardinas. Bes, kain yan si Cool na sardinas. Sige lang.
Can I try one?
Okay, go ahead. It might be hot na.